find the vertex, focus, and directrix of the parabola given by this equation. So what we see here is that the first thing, whether it's the form of the parabola is not really important. What we see is that y plus 2 and x minus 2. So it's going to be, if we write the form of the parabola, this will be y minus k squared equal to 8 x minus h. Right. We might rewrite the 8 later, but first thing we see is that the vertex of the parabola is going to be equal to 2 and yes, it is 2 and negative 2. So when we compare these two equations, we can say that h is going to be equal to 2 and k is equal to negative 2. So we write out the vertex at 2 and negative 2. So it's going to be 2 and negative 2. It's going to be right here. Next, the focus and the directrix. Now this is, we need to understand the form. First of all, it's going to be y squared and x squared. Y squared equal to something x, so the square goes with y. So just quickly though, when we have y equal to x squared, we know that's going to be the parabola open up. Y equal to negative x squared, it is going to be the parabola that open down. So the x squared give us the vertical parabola. Positive goes up, negative goes down. Same kind of the same thing here. We have y squared, it's going to be horizontal, but it's going to be positive. So it will be the parabola that open left and right, the positive, meaning that it's going to open to the right. So that's why we have where the vertex is right here. Alright, so let's erase that. So we don't know that's going to go like this. Alright, now how wide or narrow the parabola, then we need to determine the next step. Actually, it's not going to be 8. In general, the form for that is going to be equal to 4 times a. So it should be in this form, y minus k squared equal to 4a x minus h. That is the parabola. It's positive, it will open to the right. Alright, when we do this, we have a, for a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 2. So what it means is that the distance from the vertex to the center, from the vertex to the focus is 2, and the distance from the vertex to the directrix is also 2. Which means, since it open to the right, the focus have to be 2 units away from it. So the focus is going to be here, and the directrix is 2 units away on the opposite direction as the focus. So the directrix, we should have this line as the directrix. So we have the directrix here. So and that is the y-axis. Therefore, the equation is going to be x equal to 0. So the directrix is the equation x equal to 0, the y-axis. And the focus, since we have from the vertex of 2 and negative 2, we go 2 units to the right. So this should be 4 and negative 2. So that is the focus. And the sketch of the parabola is going to be open in this direction. And to know the length, the y of the parabola, we also know that when it passes through the focus, the length of lateral rectum is going to be equal to 4a. So meaning that from the focus it's going to be 2 times A either way. So the parabola should pass to those 2 points. So if we sketch, it will be like this. So again, we need to determine where the vertex at, and then the direction of opening of the parabola. This problem it open to the right because we have the y square, meaning left and right parabola, horizontal parabola, and then it's positive, meaning it opens to the right. So it opens to the right, meaning the focus is on the right of the vertex. The directrix is on the opposite direction of the focus, and so we do have the focus is at 4 and -2. So that's what we have for this problem. It would help if you actually try to draw this as we go along. Again, from the vertex, know where the parabola opens. This direction for the focus, the opposite direction for the directrix.